Hey, how's it going, everyone? Welcome on in. Happy Thursday already. We're getting close to the weekend. We're going to be continuing our Transformer today. We've got really close. We basically ran into a bug yesterday where we messed up some things in our dictionary creation. Our tokenizer got broken. We fixed it, and now we're going to be doing the training, and then we're going to be adding positional encodings, and I think that will basically mean that we're done with that. I think if we get to it, we can make it work. All right, let me see here. Let me do a quick little share button on our Discord. Over to main. Here we go. Ooh, nice patent. Oh, we have patent. Patent, quote an idea. No prior art. Does anybody have advice or suggestions on me? This is a good idea. Someone mentioned previously that legal zoom would be an option. Legal zoom may be a good place to start for patent. All right. Let's see here. At everyone. There we go. All right. Okay. Let's get started with some coding. This is my favorite part. All right. Here we go. Okay. So we've got, where do we go here on? So we need to do this. We should get some more data, upgrading the dictionary support to betterment. We don't need to worry about that right now, I don't think. I think we're pretty fine without it. Training data for generator based on our input. Wait, hold on. Training data generate based on our input. Oh, right. Okay. Yeah. Hey, Seek the Vault. Good to see you. Welcome on in. Happy Thursday. We're working on our transformer. We basically mostly got it done. We just got a few things to do. We've got a few items left. We did our masking. We did our tokenizer. We did the multi-head. We did the target parameters. We built the dictionary, the tokenizer, which this is kind of the same thing. And this is where we had our bug yesterday. That's where we had a problem yesterday. We fixed that. This is an identical item. We duplicated that. Okay. So we need to get our training data, and then we need to do a positional encoding. Let me do positional. This is the one I'm excited about because I think we can do a pretty good job on this one. Hey, Just Human, greetings. Good to see you. Welcome on in. Happy Thursday. Hope you have a good week so far. Positional encoding. All right, we're going to do def in it. We're just going to copy and paste this for the most part. And we basically need, we need to match dims. I'm just going to call it dims because this is what I've been tracking. I'm going to be calling it dims basically. There we go. Okay. Now I'm curious, what are we doing, Steven here? Hey, how's it going there, Deepak? Good to see ya. Happy Thursday. We're building our transformer. We're going to make ChatGPT. That's what we're doing. Although we're gonna make like a little mini ChatGPT because I don't want to like just spend a lot of money on training a super big model. We're gonna train like a mini model, like a little mini model, and see if we can get it to do something very specific, right? So that'll be the plan for that. Once we have completed with the initial transformer, so this is our model right here that we wrote earlier this week. We did this model right here. Really simple, straightforward. This layer specifically, I would like to implement myself. This is a nice layer that is pre-built for us in PyTorch. The good part is, I think we can build our own. I think we could, because the part's pretty straightforward, I think. Okay, so, and we don't have to do like a whole bunch of like optimization things. Like for the number of heads, we don't really need to split the dimensions to parallelize the processing, right? We only need an encoder. We don't need it. Well, we only need a decoder. We don't need an encoder, or one way or the other. We only need one. Although it doesn't really matter because it's pretty much the identical architecture. It's just how you stack them. And we could add a dropout. We don't need to worry about that too much. So your implementing attention is the key paper. Yeah, look at what we got right here. Attention's all you need. Look at, this is it. That's it. You called it. That's great. In a simple manner. Yep. We can simplify it, exactly. How's it going there? Horse or Hobbit? Welcome on in. Thanks for saying hello. Good to have you here. Happy Thursday. We're building attention's all you need today. That's what we're doing today. We're building this right here. This like nice diagram. It's a nice one. So we've got quite a few things to do in order to achieve our objective. I think we can do it though. I'm pretty positive. I want to do this. I think we could do positional encoding today. We might spend the entire day on this because it's quite a bit. This could be quite a bit because there's a lot to consider here. You're no scholar, but even heard about this paper. You did? No way. Also, hi, Steven. Good to have you here. Hope you're having a great week so far. We're almost to the weekend, you guys. Should I use Premiere Pro or CapCut? CapCut is free, isn't it? Why wouldn't you just use CapCut? Right? There's CapCut's free. Premiere Pro is going to give you a lot more features, though. And it's going to have a lot more major industry things. Hey, thank you for the hearts. Appreciate it. Hey, look at that. I see little floating heart icons there. Yep. See them thrown up. Thank you so much. Appreciate it. I can see when you guys do that. Yes, that's really exciting. So excited for you. All right. More power to you, sir. Thank you. Fantastic. All right. This is great, you guys. Appreciate it. I like that. All right. So we're going to do some positional encoding. And then we need to do the training itself, which I think we can almost do. We're like really close. We need our criterion, which we can put here, right? Can I just do that? So we got our criterion right here. I think so. Thank you for all the hearts. Appreciate it. Okay. Thanks, man. You made my... Oh, yeah. Made it clear. Love from India. Hey, Ankit, that sounds great. All right. Happy to hear it. That's fantastic. Thank you. Thank you for hanging out here. Okay. So we've got our criterion. Let me see. Let me change the music real quick. Okay, there we go. Let me see if we can run this. Python transformer. Okay. You got a sub, man? Thanks, NK. Oh, that's great. Hey, you joined the right channel for software engineering. What we're doing here is we code by hand on our keyboard. We don't use those AIs for that much because we want to learn. This is learning. You got to make sure not to have someone else do the work for you. Otherwise, right? You won't learn anything. Oh, hi, Mr. Bumpy Pickle. Good to see ya. Steven and friends, good to have you here. Hope you had a great week so far. Like and subscribe or else. Yeah, I see that. Thank you, Mr. Bumpy Pickle. I appreciate it. I appreciate it. Torch has no module cross entropy loss. Yeah, it does. Wait, is it Torch NN? God, I don't think it's NN, right? It's not NN, it's cross entropy loss, right? Oh, wait, no way, really? Hold on, wait. I feel like I should know that. Python, let's see, import Torch. We need to be like you, dude. You made my day. Oh, NKit, whoa. Hey, that's great feedback. Thank you. Appreciate it. That's so nice for you to say. Hey, Krishna, good to see you. Hello, bro. Happy Thursday. Hope you're having a great week today. We're programming. Hey, we're doing the best thing. The best thing ever. Torch.nn.cross entropy loss. Hey, it's right there. All right. Perfect. Okay. So it really is only available in the neural network. Okay. Sounds good to me. All right. Let's rerun that. See where it's going. Hey, Sergio. Welcome on in. Good to have you here. Happy Thursday, Sergio. Hope you're having a good week as well. All right. So I want to... Let's see if we can get one loss. Let's see if we can do a loss. I don't know how we're going to do it. I don't know how. What we need to do is we need our target data. So we did an input, right? Where's our input at? Where'd we do our output? Model, transform, model, train. And then we got our output. Here we go. This right here. Okay. Let me move this here. So we've got our optimizer. Then we're going to do through epochs. So this is going to be our input and output data. Bro, what are you, what are you, man? What are you, man? Wait, Krishna, what do you mean by that? I'm a software engineer. Wait, even more. If you guys don't know, CTO at PubNub. We raised 134 million Series E, 1 billion devices, and we connect a lot of devices, you guys. He's a goat. Hey, Mr. Bumpy Pickle, thank you. Appreciate it. Good to have you guys here. All right. So this is what we're going to do today. We're going to be optimizing our model, which means we're training the model. And we're going to do it for so many epochs. How many epochs? I don't know. epochs equals, we'll do like 10. We'll do 100 because we have not that much data. For epoch in range epochs. Hey, Squirrel. Hey, Squirrel Squad. Hey, it's good to see you. Welcome on back. Good to have you here. Happy Thursday. For epoch in range epochs. We're going to say print epoch. All right. Then I want to run this through on the output. Here we go. Print the output. Shape. Words equals dictionary decode output. We don't need this right now. And I'm gonna indent it anyway. So here, this is the magic shot right here. This is the magic. Right here, you guys. This is the magic. This is what we want to make it work. Sorry, bro, typing error. I'm asking you, what are you doing today? Oh, what are you making? We are building ChatGPT. Is what we're making. You've probably used an AI to do some work for you before, have you? Everyone's done it now. So we're going to be building our own transformer, our own language model, you guys. That's what we're currently doing. And our language model is only going to know a few things. It's going to know just a few things. Just a few. And we'll make it work is what we want to do. I want to learn the algorithm. That's what we are doing. For the most part, I understand about 95% of this. For example, the nuances between encoding and decoding here and what the difference is. So your input and output, you need to put both in at the same time. That part is weird. I get it. I understand. I just don't fully get it. Hey, Twilight, good to see you. Don't forget to drink water, bro. Oh, we got the water right here. Thank you for reminding me. Apparently, it's important. It is, because you can have problems if you don't. I tried not drinking water for a while. Have you tried that? You can do it, but it'll be hard. And it was a mistake. Whoops. Make sure to drink your water. Okay. Here we go. So this is probably gonna fail because the training data is just words and the output is going to be numbers. So, hey, Mark Lemon, good to see you. Thank you for clicking the hi button and welcome here. The Thursday. Happy Thursday. Good to see you. All right. Lost criterion training data. So here's the problem. The model, in my model, allows me to input full on text data. So full on text data, right? The problem with that is that I don't have a way to capture the correct encoding, essentially, right? The correct embeddings, the vectorization part, the part where we turn the words into numbers. This is where I need help with really quick. If I'm going to be passing data through, I don't know what the output's going to be. So if our output is this, which are probabilities, if there are probabilities of which number it's going to be, we need to capture that. We need to capture that in a way. So that way we can train what the actual expected output's going to be. Right? So that's what I need. That's what I need to fix right here. This one little part, it's like one variable right here is gonna be a little bit of effort. Just a smidgen of effort. So how do we want to go about that is my question. Let's think about that. So it's words, we got to convert it into tokens. And then once we convert it to tokens, we need to turn it into probabilities. But the good news is the probabilities are going to be one hot, right? They're guarantees. They're full-on guarantees. So it's more code than I have written right now. So we need to capture this, convert it into we need to one hot this essentially, right here. We need a one hot on that. Where am I going to put that? How do I want to do that? So I probably want to put it in the model, the dictionary. I have a decoder here. So what if I have, so I've got my normalize, tokenize. Yes. Oh, this actually, I already have it. I have tokenizer here. And then I need to go to one hot after that. So I need to one hot my tokenizer. All right. So def one hot self comma tokens. So it has to be tokens. Okay. Then I need to convert that into one hot. And I think Torch has a built-in one hot. We could build this ourselves. So basically we do torch.zeros, create all zeros, and then we update the index where the token is the value at that index. Hello, hello. Hey, Bogateers, good to see you. Happy Thursday. Welcome on in. Hope you're having a great day so far. And a great week. It's almost the weekend. All right. So we could... I want to see if I can use a native PyTorch. All right, PyTorch one hot. Is there a one hot? There is, right here. There's a one hot right here. Hey, look at that. Number of classes. Oh, it's already ready for us to use. Hey, it's what I like right there. All right. Good to hear it. Good to hear it. So we can just do functional one hot, and then we build, we already have the tokens. We already have the tokens. So we should just be able to do this function real quick. This might not have been as hard as I thought it was going to be. we could do this. So we could do this. So return torch.nn.functional.one. Was it one hot? One underscore hot. Tokens. Nah, is that it? Is that really all it was? Do you think? All right, let's see. So we can't do that yet. So let's do target labels. Target. How do we say this? This is the answer. So it's what we're looking for. How about if you say targets? Targets equals training data. And then we say dictionary dot one hot, like that. Is that gonna work? Do you think that'll work? They ripped out the entire crypto API that my entire Linux kernel patch was based on. Oh, Bonzupi, that's right. You mentioned that yesterday. They did. So my sanity took another heavy hit. Oh no, that's terrible. Wait, but why? Everyone wants the cryptography library to be there. There's a lot of standard cryptography libraries. Why did they remove it, you guys? Hey, Ronnie. Good to see you, Ronnie in one. Welcome on in. Happy Thursday. How are you getting the subtitles on YouTube Live? Isn't that great? Right there. Technology I wrote many years ago. Right here. You can grab this yourself. It's for free. Free forever, you guys. Free forever. It's a common question everyone always asks. So I have the tab pinned. The tab is pinned. Also, it's here in our Discord channel. So if I go to link share, I believe it will be around here somewhere. Here it is, right here. So if you go in our link share channel, it'll be right there on Discord, you guys. No, yesterday I found an update that just refactored the network stack API. Got it. That's what I was complaining about yesterday. Okay. Got it. And so now they've officially removed the crypto API for your entire Linux kernel patch. Oh, that's terrible, Bonzupi. You found an update where they just ripped out the crypto API and replaced it with a new one. Oh, well, okay. That makes sense. I understand. I'm actually kind of curious. What did they choose? I know myself some crypto. I know a little bit of crypto. When I say crypto, I mean cryptography, right? I mean, and then Bitcoins or other things are what you think of like cryptocurrency. In this case, we're talking about cryptography, right? It's a misnomer. Did you know there is no encryption? There's no encryption in cryptocurrency. That's counterintuitive. There's signatures. That's why it's called crypto. There's signing, cryptographic signing, but there's no encryption per se. If you didn't know, now you do. Now you do. All right, so is this one hot going to work? Print. I want to print the targets. Targets. Whoa. Target. There we go. All right, we got our targets. Print targets. Is that going to do the trick? I don't know. We're going to find out. Here we go. Here we go. Tokens. Oh, it doesn't like that. Why not? Argument input 1 must be a tensor, not a string. Oh, wait. Oh, right. Oh, right. Okay. We have to go a step further here. We need to say, not tokens. Let's see. Words. Tokens equals self dot. Do we normalize and tokenize, right? That's what we got to do. We do normal and tokenize. Do we automatically normalize? Wouldn't that be better if we did? Right? I think that would be better if we did. Sub no lower words. So for each word, for each input sentence there. Oh, they removed the monolithic PCBC crypto API from cryptography subsystem. And for the RxRPC subsystem, they implemented a simplified version of the same cipher in a way that breaks everything I did. Oh, they could have kept the API compatible. They could have. For that, they could have just replaced the underlying cipher if they wanted to. So many selves. I know, what does it do? So the self just refers to the class's instance. So you see here, we've got a dictionary class definition. We can make an instance of it, which just means like creating a copy of it, kind of, because this is kind of like a template. This is like saying, hey, this is a code structure template. Let's create a copy of it in memory. So I create a copy of it in memory right here, calling it a dictionary, right? So I create a new dictionary, and all the self is going to reference the dictionary's instance itself, right? So it means this dictionary right here. That's what that means. So in a way, you're starting over. Hey, oh, well, your implementation is simpler now that they have a crypto library that is local to the network stack that you're working on. So, okay. Well, that's like silver lining, right? Where it's just pretty good. It's a little good. Okay, thanks. All right. Hey, how's it going there? Vinit Kumar. Hey, Vinit Kumar. Thanks for saying hello. Good to have you here. Happy Thursday. We're building technology. Check it out. It's so great. This is my favorite thing. It's my favorite thing, you guys. All right. Also, for those of you who are new here, we do have a hackathon going on right now. Visit our Discord and the hackathon channel. Right here, go to blocks.ai, create an agent, and then submit it to the Discord, and you'll be entered to win. You'll be entered to win. Oh, Vinit Kumar, apps. Yep, glad to have you here. All right. So, we need to finish writing our one hot with the words. We're going to say tokens.normalize, norm, and then we're going to pass in my words. And then the tokenize is still words, but it's normalized words. So what I think I want to do is simplify this code really quick, because I'm always normalizing before I'm tokenizing, and I think that's necessary. I think it's necessary, you guys. Which PC are you using? Oh, I've got your answer right here. Are you ready? Check this out. Uname Darwin right here. What does that mean? I'm running Mac OS. I'm running Mac OS. Yes, this is a Mac. You got it. It's a Mac, you guys. We're doing a Mac here, which is very Unix based. That means that I get to have all of the wonderful terminal interfaces that I want without having to have any emulation layer, basically. That's what that means. That's what that means. So, how about you? What do you use? What do you guys use? Hey, Oxnell, good to see you. What's up? Welcome on in. Good to see you back. Happy Thursday. We're getting close to the weekend. All right, you guys, we're going to be curious about this. Let's take a look. What OS do you use? Question mark. You go Windows. Wait, I gotta spell that right. Yeah, I spelled that right. Windows. You Mac. Let's add some options here. We go Linux, right? Or other / Arch. I don't know. Like, I don't know. Maybe like other. I don't know what other. Let's see what you guys say. I'm curious about it. I'm thinking Windows is going to be number one. I think Windows might be number one. It is. I'd be curious to see if anyone's running Mac. All right, Darwin. All right, so I want to update this here to do, I'm gonna double, it's okay to double normalize. Actually, it's perfectly fine. So I'm gonna say words equals self.norm words. All right, so now I need to optimize. Now that I've normalized that, we only need to say tokenize. Tokens. Boom, done. Did we fix it? Yeah, I think so. You're good. Currently use the old Intel Mac. Oh, whoa, no way. That's crazy. Hey, check this out. I've got that right here. Wait. I'll show you. Look. I'm not using it right now, but it's the old Intel Mac right here. The old Intel Mac. It's Intel. It's got an Intel right here. I've got it. It's just sitting over here on the other desk. But we got it. It's a 2019. It's a 2019. It's the one with the Mac with the Intel inside. Okay. All right, so we normalize here on a tokenizer. I also want to see if we do any other norms here. We don't need to do norms anymore. So what we do instead, we just remove the norm. We get rid of the norm as well. And boom, simplified. Done. Easy. Finally, someone else. Ah, right. I know. It's crazy. I mean, it is like a 7-year-old system. Although at the same time, that's still really powerful. Same as 2019. Hey, all right. Very nice. That's awesome. That is amazing. So we do need to do this, but we're going to deal with that later. Okay. And then our transformer, we already got this. We're using a swish glue, which is pretty neat. Where is this? All right, so I need to see my normalizer here. Word list normalizer. Okay, so we do need to have it as a separate function, which is nice. And we got to keep that there. Okay. Bonzupi, oh my lord, they bricked the protocol. Oh, what? No, wait, why'd they do that? That's crazy. Don't brick the protocol. That causes problems. That causes problems. Why would you do this? Got a brick. Bricking is not a... Hey, Loons, good to see you. Welcome on in. Happy Thursday. We're almost to the weekend, Loons. We almost made it. Did you submit your hackathon project yet? You know, I haven't seen too many being submitted. You might be the only one. You might win first place. Ben Cater, good to see ya. Welcome on in. Happy to have you here. Happy Thursday. It's welcome back. Ben Cater's here, everyone. All right. So I think I got everything I want here. Let me switch up the music really quick. Let's go to the next song. Let's try this. Is this a good song? This is a good song. I think. We'll try it. You just installed Chinese Linux on a VM. What is Chinese Linux? What is that? I don't know what that is. What could that possibly be? I'm curious about it. Let me know. What could it be? Let me see if I can scroll here. All right, perfect. Okay. Think of switching to framework 13. Ooh, nice. Sadly, they don't deliver to Saudi. Oh, no. Oh, well, you could probably have it like delivered through some sort of like hopping or something. It's really cool UI. Oh, is it? Does it really? Oh, does it? Okay. Deepin Linux. Oh, is it Deepin Linux? Is that what that is? All right, normalize. We're looking good there. Okay. I think we're in the right spot now. I think we are. All right, things are looking good here. Let me see over here real quick. Move this, just smidgen. There we go. Okay. All right, looking good now. Oh, Clin OS, or is it Klein OS? Let's try this. CKY, Callan Linux. Is it Linux? Windows clone. Whoa, no way. That's crazy. Look at that. It's Linux. Wait. I don't want, wait. If they're just images. So wait, it's basically Windows, but it's Linux. Is that what that is? It looks like the Windows interface, but it's running Linux. Never heard of that one? How is it? I can ask their support. They don't recommend it because it might break while shipping. Oh, okay, got it. Yeah, that would be terrible. Go to try Deepin. All right. try Deepin Linux. Oh, hey, it's very similar. It looks like a Mac, kind of got that Mac type interface. All right, so you've got, oh, neat. So Deepin Linux, kind of like user-friendly Mac, or you could go with the other kind of Linux, which looks like a Windows. Perfect. Then you never have to worry about anything else. I bet it phones home to the CCP yet. It probably was. Ooh, Kali Linux, Ted, yep. Kali Linux for the penetration testers. The pen testers, you guys. You got your Kali Linux here. That's got all the nicely built-in utilities for testing security. Kali Linux. It was featured on a popular TV show called Mr. Robot. They had Kali Linux on there. Omarshi. Oh, wait. Is the Go distribution... Is it Omarshi? Wait, is Omarshi like Omar? There's Omarki versus Omarshi. Is that separate? Omarki. So, is that just a misspelling? Mr. Robot's cool. It was a great show, right? I like that show. Thank you for clicking the hi button, Loons. I think you meant Omarki, right? Black Arc is better than... Oh, wait. Bonzupi. I haven't heard about that one. Black Arch. Let's see here. Ooh, we've got an upgraded version, you guys. This reminds me of the early days. Oh, look at that. This reminds me of, like, the 2000s era. Wow. This aesthetic, like, way back. 26 years ago. No, you spelled it? All right, you misspelled it? Okay, I was wondering. I'm like, is there a new one? Because you never know. There might be a new one. There might be a new one, you guys. Fedora. Great. I love that. I like Fedora. That's the yum, right? Fedora. Right, is for the package manager. Fedora package manager is yum, right? Oh, wait. No, oh, it is yum. Yeah. Yum in Fedora. Okay, let's keep on going. Okay, how's it going there? We a gamer. Hey, we a gamer. Welcome on in. Happy Thursday. Hope you're having a good week so far. Thank you for clicking the hi button. Okay, I want to see if our one hot worked now. Let's see if our one hot worked. Okay. Did we make it work? Oh, look at that. It worked. Hey, we're on the right track now. Now we can do some loss detection. Oh, looking good. Yep, that's it right there. That's the correct answer. However, it doesn't have... Oh, no, it has the right one. Okay, so we got it. Okay. All right, we're good. We can start training our model now. It's going to be great. Good pen testing distro. Also, Parrot. I've heard about Parrot. It's been a long time. Parrot OS. Parrot Security. Yes, I've heard about this. In fact, we've been to this website because I've already zoomed in on it. I remember this OS. I've never used it. It never came up. I always went to use different distros. There's different ones, you guys. You can also bootstrap the repo with vanilla Arch Linux so you can keep your regular daily driver set up and install the pen test tools you need for whatever you're doing. That's right. You could just install the pen test tools directly in any of your Linux. You don't need to install any of the distros that come pre-installed with the pen test tools. It is nice though to have a pen test USB, right? So you have a full ISO and then you flash your USB and then you just plug it in. Klein 11 is paid. Just like Windows, you gotta get a license key, but it isn't necessary, and there are Open Klein too. Oh, you can get Open Klein. Hey, I like the free option. Very nice. PNG Hunter. PNG Thunder. Hey, PNG Thunder. You got yourself a file extension that's an image Thunder. Good. Thank you for clicking the hi button there. Have you been following your content for a few days? Hey, great. And man, you're very underrated. Well, thank you. Your content is JavaScript. Wait. I'm pretty sure JS has a different meaning in that context. I'm guessing that is a positive. I think it's a positive compliment. Thank you. Your content is gold. Thank you. That's so nice for you to say. Appreciate it. We're building ourselves a chat GPT today, you guys. We just figured out our one hot, as you can see here on the screen. That's exactly what I want right there. That's exactly what. Now that it's one hot, we can train our model because we got the logits. The logits. They're called logits. I called them logits when I didn't know that they were called logits, right? So logits. Let's see, how do you pronounce? Let's see. I'll show you. All right, let's do pronunciation. Pronunciation. Logits. Logits. Oh, so it's kind of like a log. Oh, wait. Yeah, log. Like lodge. Oh, logits. Wait. Ski lodge. Wait, no, wait. How do you guys pronounce this? I'm so confused. Use the soft G sound rhymes with the word like gadgets. Logits. Widgets. Logits. 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 All right, there we go. You tried installing Metasploit on Ubuntu? No, wait, you haven't? Metasploit's like a really nice pre-built package that includes a whole bunch of pen testing tools all right there. It's a really good one. You use Ventoy on a USB stick, which contains digital forensics distributions. Oh, nice. I haven't heard about that one. Ventoy OS. Is it Ventoy? What is this? Open source software tool created bootable USB drive with the ISO. You don't need any format on the disk you just drag and drop the files in USB and then boot them directly. You can copy many files, different folders. Bento will give you a boot menu, select them, you can browse and you can boot them directly. Oh, that's great. I've never used this. I didn't know about it. A new bootable USB solution. Hey, very nice. Dylan, welcome on in. Thank you for saying hello. Good to have you here. Happy Thursday. We're talking about a whole bunch of logic, some pen testing, different operating systems, right? And AI. It's way too complicated for you to say pronunciation. Logits. It's logits. But, you know, if anyone says it differently, like logits, like the word log, then I think everyone kind of knows what you're saying. I think they do. Ventoy is a bootloader, I believe. So it's a bootloader, and then you can put whatever files you want into it, which is kind of nice, which means you can create your own custom. Which is nice. Only the tools you use. Okay. Git status, git add, git commit. We want to say, I want to say that we added trainable target. See if that works. Push. Git push origin main. Okay. We might need it because I remember we're missing a piece. Let me see this to-do item. All right, so there might be a to-do item here. To-do. You might want to add the web search plugin to your Z shell. Search the browser direct from the terminal. Ooh, I think I might want to do that because I keep popping in and out between Chrome. It would be nice if I didn't have to, right? To do. Oop, no. Wait. I want to, there we go. Oxnell, I kind of want to do that. Web search plugin into your Z shell. What would that look like? Okay, I'll think about it. Do you have a preference? Do you have a specific one that you use? I want to use like a lightweight one. Thank you for the hundreds. Appreciate it. Thank you for clicking 100 over there. Whoever it's doing it. I don't know because I can't tell. I can only see when the hundreds float to the screen. We might need to split. So we need to trim start and end between the target and training, right? So we need to trim this and training. There we go. Okay, that's a to-do item. Let me put this at the top. There we go. Okay. We don't need to do it right now, I don't think. I think we'll probably be perfectly fine. No, it's actually named web search, literally. Oh, it is, really? All right, let me learn more about this. Web search ZSH. The term web search in the context ZSH typically refers to the web search plugin. Oh my ZSH plugin that allows you to run web search directly in your terminal by opening your default browser with a search query. Oh, okay. So it still pops me out. It still pops me out. So I mean, it won't stay in my terminal is what this is. So it won't, let's see, allow me to stay in terminal, or it only load browser. Open, I'll say open browser. It would be nice to be able to stay in the terminal. Only opens your browser. Okay, yeah. Cannot display results directly inside my terminal, which is what I want. You know, I could just use anti-gravity for that, right? So I could pop out over here. I could say cd empty, and I could do AGY, and then I could just run search queries right here, right? I could just do that as well, because that's essentially Google's AI. And then I'd stay in my terminal, and I could just be doing that. I should get used to that. The only problem is it's not that fast. Yeah, but still, people with all the TUIs. Yeah, exactly. That's what I want. I want to stay in my terminal. It's my favorite. Doesn't it make you like excited to like stay in your terminal? I think it just is it's very like heartwarming. It is. Probably because I've been doing this for so many years now. It's my IDE of choice. Okay. So if I was going to say web search ZSH. See, it takes a little while. It just takes a while to load. And see, if I had done that in Chrome, it would have given me the answer already. And see, it's just taking so long. All right, it did come up with something though here. Using Oh My plugin easy if you're already using the okay, yeah. Here, let's take a look at it though. Let's just at least jump in here real quick. Do we have an example? La 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 la. I get it. Okay. Oh, there's a lot more to this. Okay. It's doing more than I want it to do. I just want a basic command. I could write my own. Right now. Why? You don't need this. You guys want to build our own shell script real quick? You want to see how this actually works? I think we could do this. I mean, this is just a bit too much. If it's just going to open up a browser window, then what's the point? You should write a plugin for that. Parsing HTML in your terminal. Sheesh. Oh, yeah, that's a good point. Yeah. Yeah. That would be pretty nice. I think we could probably do it though. I think we probably could. Okay. So we say Google web search. Okay. Yeah. So I could just have a terminal command called Google that runs an open command, right? So we could do that. Why don't we do that really quick, you guys? So look, I mean, it's not hard. Look at this. Question mark search equals Q equals. How hard is that? How hard is that? It can't be that hard, right? Here, watch this. Open, and we say oxnull-r2t. Ready? Enter. Oh wait, that should have worked. How about we put that in quotes? There we go. See? Right there. Right? It's like that. Right there. Hey, how's it going there? 11 Malcolm, good to see you. Which free paid resources are the best to become AI machine learning engineer? All right, my recommendation is that you find all the bad, terrible tutorials and all the good tutorials in a self-discovery adventure on your own. And this is important because you need to find the struggle and the failures in order to really learn. If you find all of the answers, you're not going to know the most important part, the part that lets you fail. Your failures are what solidifies your learning. If you just get the easy answers, you're not going to get the greatest possible learning journey. It's not going to work. Are you hiring? Hey, yes, I am. Theo is light. Good to see you again, Theo. We are hiring. Yep, just jump on over here. Go to pubnub.com, scroll down to careers, click on the careers link, and then we zoom in. We are currently hiring some software roles and looks like corporate counsel role as well. Senior solutions architect and a senior software engineer for AI and large language model systems. Damn, don't expose like that. Oh, wait. It did? Wait. I didn't. Google knows. Google knows already. I didn't know, Oxnell. I didn't know that was going to happen. I was just giving you an example. So, like, look, we could create our own alias, right? Watch this. I don't know if it's okay for me to open my ZSH real quick, though. What we could do, though, is we can just type an alias in here, though. Alias Google equals, and then we can do a command, right? And then we do, like, money 1, right? We do money 1. Is that it? Omar. Hey, Omar. Awesome. I'm drastically underqualified. Hey, Profolk. A swing at the best advice that someone gave me. Swing for the fences. There you go. It's a term that means that take the shot, even if you don't qualify. And if you fail, that's fine. Just swing. Swing for the fences. Love your show. I could watch it all day. Hey, Theo's Light. That's great to hear. Thank you. Good feedback. We'll keep doing this, you guys. We're live every day now. Even the weekends. Just kidding. It's okay. Hey, all right, good. I was worried for a second. I was like, oh no. I'm a network ops guy. Ooh, nice. So you know about like network masks and CIDRs, right? With the /32 to get the CIDR like rocks. Like there's nothing. It has to be this IP address and it can be no others, right? What is /32 you mean, guys? All right, so we're gonna say open. Oh, wait, did I already copy paste this? Yeah, open, and then we're gonna put money 1 right there. I'm gonna put this in quotes. I believe this should do the trick. Maybe. I don't know. I might, hold on. Let's see here. How do we do an alias? Alias. Did we already close it? Not this one. Up here we go. Let's see. URL. Yep, see, look at that right here. We're doing that right now. That's exactly what that is. Look at that. Here in Turkey. Oh, I see. Wait, you see? What do you see? All right. Let's learn networking together, you guys. This is pretty cool. See, I told you. Look how easy that is right there. It's so easy, you guys. And then you do money 1, right? The only problem is I need all the monies. Because if I want to type in naturally, like say Google blah 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 with spaces, then I need to do more than just money 1. But for now, let's do money 1. Alias Google. Hold on, let's see. Hold on a second. Alias. Next. No. Yeah, here we go. How do I want to do this? Okay. See, the only thing is, I think it makes sense to... Do we just do this? Do we put it in quotes? Like that? And then we say money 1. Will that work? Google help. Help does not exist. Google. Oh, that did something I wasn't expecting. What do you think about the theory about recruiters or hiring managers interviewing candidates at the first stage, then leaving them hanging while they finish their batch of interviews already in... Let's see, basically you get the interview and wait until they finish who's interviewing, but that results you to hearing back. So, yeah, they should... What would be nice is if they just let you know up front where you are. If they take a long time to respond, that's terrible, right? It's terrible. It's not good. Also, I have wanted to know what is the difference between the role of machine learning engineer and AI engineer, or are they the same? I think they're basically the same. They're the same, right? Because you're using machine learning to train AI, right? You use machine learning algorithms to make AI. AI is the outcome. This is the way I define it. Everyone defines it differently. I think everything's machine learning algorithms, and that creates the model weights and parameters, right? The biases. This gives you the output of AI, artificial intelligence. Now, other people might say machine learning is like low rank AI. So it's the machine, and then AI is deep learning. That's what other people classify it as, right? Which is it's a different dimension. So that's kind of how I think of it. There are lots of free materials out there. Network Chuck. Oh, Network Chuck. Yeah. Good channel. Learn the basics. Why don't you check the plugin source code and get an idea? Oh, right. Oxnell, that's a good idea. We can do that. It's pretty neat. Check this out. I do have this. My Google command does work. Google. It works right there. It's just missing the query part. Google. Boom. Google. Like overbooking. Ray Silvers is exactly like overbooking, right? It's exactly like overbooking. Let's see, where was it here? Here's the source code. All right, alias. Let's see here. So I want to do an alias that allows me to pass in a variable instantiation. That's what I want. Oh, there's too many folders to really look. There's too many folders. All right, let's just do... All right, so alias... Here, I'm just going to copy and paste what I wrote, so that way I can get this really quick. Because this isn't our main objective. Let's see. There's a problem, though. Google open. Yes, that's exactly what I want. Yes. Join all the arguments with a... Yes, exactly. It already knows. It already knows. So how do... So... Wait. How to alias all on one line. Let's see if that works. You've been mostly making web crawlers, COs like data compressors and analyzers using Python and Ubuntu Windows Linux subsystem. Oh, wait, WLS? Is that Windows Linux subsystem or is that a different thing? The virtual environment? Are there more opportunities in cybersecurity or AI engineering? There's both. They're both, right? I think more probably right now definitely spent in AI. There's more spend in AI than anything else right now. So if you're looking, AI is the answer. Hey, here we go. All right. So we could have written this ourselves. However, let's just do this. All right. So alias Google search, boom. All right. Google will say, help me learn about torch.arange function. Right there. Boom, quick and easy. Look at that. I like that. That's pretty nice. I think I might want to save that. I think I might want to save it. Theo's Light, yeah, correct. All right, good to hear it. Hey, Peace Lord, hello. Welcome on in. Happy Thursday. Good to have you here. What are you working on today? 11 Malcolm. We are creating an alias really quick that I'm going to save because I really like this alias into my terminal. So that way I can now easily Google from my terminal window and not have to pop open another browser. It just does that for me directly in my terminal window, which is pretty nice. I think it's pretty nice. Here, I'm gonna do something off screen real quick. .zshrc. I'm not gonna share. All right, here we go. We got an alias. Okay, I can show you guys. This is what I'm doing right here. All right, so paste. We added a new alias, Google search, right there. Right there, Google search. Right there. Close. Off-screen editing. Perfect. Oh, nice. No plugin needed. Steven, the rescue. Hey, Oxnell, that's because of you. You inspired it. You inspired it. Thank you. Thank you very much. Happy Thursday. All right. Why would you spend 2 seconds opening a browser tab when you can automate it in 30 days? Average engineer, right? I know, right? We can automate it. We can save time. It'll be better. It'll be better this way. It'll be better, I promise. That's pretty funny. Oh, hey. I didn't see you. Do we read Twitch comments also? Or just the YouTube ones? Silver Ray, I just saw your message over there. It was hiding. It was hiding in the corner. If I see it, I'll say it. Good to see you. Okay. All right. So where are we at now? Where are we at here? Let me get back to our business over here. Get all the things in the right spot. Perfect. Okay. Good. All good here. All right. Good to hear it. On YouTube, yeah. Ray Silvers. Sounds good to me. Look more energetic today. Peace, Lord. We're having a good day. We had a lot of good, healthy food. And we're also doing things that we love doing, which is software, computer, stuffy things. I love it. Oxnell, thanks. Yeah, it's because of you. All right, so, hey, I love liberty, justice. Thank you for the high five. Appreciate it. That was, what'd you say? Oh, you said, what, high five. Yep, high five. Thank you. My gratitudes to you. That's very nice of you. I love liberty, justice. I've been thinking about you. I have, off stream. I'm like, that I love liberty, justice. Always sending over the wonderful super chats. Likewise, man, first time watching the stream, not clipped videos. Hey, all right. Good to have you here. Thank you. Yep, we're trying to get our Twitch up here. So we got our Twitch up and running because we started late on Twitch. Do you have a system SOC team? Let's see, SOC team or incident response in your, yes, we do. Yeah, we call them, well, they're SREs. It's what we call them. Call them SREs. Site Reliability Engineering Team. SRE team. That's what we do. Broccoli. Peace, Lord. Exactly, broccoli. Yeah. Have you guys eaten your broccoli today? I have. I've eaten mine. Google. Let's see. Broccoli. Hey, there it shows. See how fast that is? It's instantaneous. It's instant. That's why I like it. All right. Let's get back to it. So where did we leave off? So we're doing the self-attention. Yeah, nice. Watching this while applying to jobs on LinkedIn. It's horrible. Oh, Ray Silvers. You know what? That is a pretty tough situation. It is. Peace, Lord. Nice. Good to hear it. Okay. Let's get back into our coding, you guys. Now that we've got our new fancy Google CLI alias. Thank you for the hundreds. Appreciate it. All right. We need to do a new poll. Let's see here. All right. Let's poll the world. Broccoli or animal product. Wait, no, that's too conceited. I can't do that to you guys. Are you eating healthy? No, I'm not going to ask that question. I'm not going to do it. That was mean. I shouldn't do that. I'm sorry. All right, let's get back to our coding. It's gonna be like, are you guys eating properly? No, don't worry about it. It's fine. You do whatever you want. It's whatever you want to do. All right, let's look at the poll really quick. I'm kind of curious to see what the actual results of the poll are. So most of y'all use Windows. Some of y'all use Linux, and then Mac. Wow, more Linux than Mac. Impressive. Other basically can go into like the Unix, Linux type family. So if you combine all these up, it's just a little bit more on the alternative operating system, right? 3% extra on the alternative operating systems. That's impressive. I was not expecting that. Hey, how's it going there? Barento. Barento, thank you for subscribing. Appreciate it. Welcome on in. You joined the right channel for software engineering. Today we're building ChatGPT. Linux equals architecture. Or the Arc, as in Omar Dogu. The Arc. Nice, different names for the cybersecurity team. Yes, exactly. You got it, Oxnell. I mean, I will take meat over broccoli any day, anytime, anywhere. Oxnell, I figured as much. Hey, Peter Parker, good to see you. Welcome on in. Happy Thursday. Good to have you here. Did we do this correctly, you guys? The desktop, the transformer. Okay. Did we make it work? Python transformer. Nope. Python transformer. All right. So far, so good. Did we get our criterion? Did we do the criterion? No, we didn't. Okay. Let's do print loss. Here we go, guys. Moment of truth. Wait. It's gotta be targets. Targets. There we go. Okay. Is it gonna work? Hey, Loons, by the way, I'm back. All right, good to have you back, Loons. When someone tries to roast me by saying, you suck, I always tell them, tell me what I did wrong so I can be better person. Oh, that's a good approach. That's a good approach. You're doing it right. You're doing it right. Look for that positivity. I recommend it. Barento definitely sounds like a distro name. Oh, kind of does, like a Linux distro. It sure does. Thanks, sorry for English levels intermediate. All good, Omar. All good, just happy you're here. You just learned how to see or how to use the visual line feature in Vim yesterday. Oh, yes. Visual line. Isn't that great? Now that you got visual line, you want to do visual block. Right? Visual block. You can do visual block. I like that one. That's a good one. All right, you got to do a little bit of visual blocking right there. Just a smidgen of visual block. You've got visual line and you've got visual mode, which is like string mode. 3 visual modes, line and block, and whatever this is. Just regular visual mode. Wait, what's that? How? I know, right, Bun Soupy? Isn't that great? It's pretty cool. It's so Shift V. So you see on my screen here, you can see the keyboard at the very bottom, at the bottom of the screen. I'm holding Shift and pressing V. Block mode is Control V. Visual block mode, right? Control V. Control V is the way to go. There you go. Shift Control I. Shift Control I. That doesn't do anything for me. Yeah. Yeah, you guys, that's a good one. Control V to get visual block mode. I like it. I like visual block mode. It's one of my favorites. Actually, visual line mode is the best though, by far. Visual line, #1. Hello, I just got back. Good news. We've passed the 50% thesis defense. Oh, wait, really? Got busy coding our 3D segmentation using a new net of the human femur and, wait, hold on, and proximal tabia? I don't know what that is. That sounds like something biology related, right? Human biology? Is that what that is? I don't recognize those words. I know computers. Biology, though, it's a different story. I've known visual for quite some time. Yeah, and then get your visual block mode right there. Always revert to nano as your default, cause I always forget to handle. Yeah, I see what you mean there, Oxnell. All good. It's all good. Use what you know. All right, moment of truth, you guys. Will it work? Will our criteria work? I think it might. Oh, no! Expect floating point type target for class probability. Oh, right. Okay. One hot. All right, so can we say d type equals? Can we say torch dot float? Can we do that? No, it doesn't like d type. All right. We've got a solution for that. 2. See if that works there. Yeah, wait. Ignore index is not supported for floating point target. No, really? Oh, okay. That's unfair. That's unfair. Steven, why don't you use Visual Studio Code? Because I like myself my Vim editor and it makes me happy. You know what? I've got your answer. Use the IDE that makes you happy. There you go. Easy answer. Basically, you created a model with the new net model, then it segments the CT image. So you create like blocks. You take the large image and you chunk the block. You chunk it, and then you convert it into a 3D for visualization. Oh, got it. Okay. So are you making 3D models using this approach? 2D images into 3D models? Is that what you're doing? What's the thing you do when you select multiple lines and you prepend all of them at once? Oh, right. Yeah, okay. So this is what I do. I don't know if there's other ways to do it. This is how I do it. So if I want to comment a bunch of lines out in Vim, check this out, you guys. Wait, who's that? Who's that? Minong. Hey, Minong, thank you for joining. Appreciate it. Thank you for your subscription. Welcome on in. Happy Thursday. We were joining the right channel for software engineering. We're about to share a trick in Vim if you use the Vim text editor. Thank you for the party poppers. Check this out, you guys. All right, so hold Shift plus V to get visual line mode, and then I press :S /caret /octothorpe /G. Done. Is that how you do multi-line comment? That's how I do it. Did you catch that? Hey, how's it going there? Unknown. Hey, Unnoun verse. Thank you for clicking the hi button. Good to have you here. Happy Thursday. Think I saw you do that once for a second. You did, Bonzupi. You did. You also use Flask. A for backend, Flask or 3JS for the front end. Yes, JavaScript. It uses WebGL. It uses WebGL. It's a nice little higher level programming interface for WebGL. It's pretty great. It's been around for decades. Our thesis advisor asked me to convert everything to Rust. Oh, what? Really? No way. That's actually really powerful. Rust is great. Although for a project, I don't know if you necessarily need to use Rust for a project. Will AI bubble burst anytime soon? I think the AI bubble will just keep on like flapping around. It's gonna flap around. You're using it. I'm using it every day. Everyone on the planet who is doing productive desk work is using it for the most part, right? So it's here to stay. No, it's here to stay. It is. It's just a tool. Think of it as a tool. It's like a really good tool. It's not going to replace anyone. It's going to increase productivity and the number of jobs. It's just, there's a little bit of turbulence right now. Oh, one of your thesis members also joined the Discord group too? Hey, that sounds great. Fantastic. What is just the regular sed syntax? Oh, right. It's pretty close. It's similar to sed. Sed regex. Wait, what? You commented out that with macro, you can just use GC after selecting something. GC? Wait. I haven't done that. You said GC? Wait, what is this? So highlight and you say GC. That doesn't do anything for me. GC doesn't do anything. I'm pressing it right now. It's pressing. Nothing. You can see it on my screen doing nothing. Yeah, so what I do is I highlight the code that I want. I press :S /caret /octothorpe /G. That's what I do. I know it's weird. Is there a better way? Do you guys know of a better way to comment out lines in Vim? One-liner? You guys know? Have you ever seen a rocket engine designed by AI and its prototype is running? I've not seen an AI prototype. I have seen an AI write a schematic for specific components and them being used in, say, like an airplane, and they are improved. Hi, sir. Unknown verse. How's it going there? You want to make a website, but I don't know coding. Only know HTML and CSS basics. Can you make it using AI? Yeah, you can. It does a really good job. The first prototype. Oh, wait. Peace Lord, I have definitely not seen that. I haven't. Has someone done it yet? Has someone done this? Boom. Comment. Easy. Okay. So let's continue on downward. We've got a problem here. So does our outputs float, and it needs to stay float. Our targets are float, but it doesn't support padding indexes, which is annoying. So I have to remove this, sadly. I'm sorry, you guys. I'm sorry. I know it's sad for it to go. I know we're all feeling sad about it. We can't ignore the index 0 right now, which is very sad. Don't worry. We're going to put it in a little place right here for now to restore this. We will. So I need to say restore, ignore, index, right? We got to restore it. Do you see the Discord in link share? Oh, wait. Oh, hey, Kyle. Good to see you. Welcome on in. Happy Thursday. Large language models are the tool. Consistent and efficient workflows are the bottleneck Currently, they are. You got it. These large language models, they can achieve what we want them to achieve as long as you get them in the right spot. Right? Thank for all the reactions. Appreciate it, you guys. You think your thesis member asked in Discord for the other project about the Distilbert classifier for our natural language processing project. Hey, there we go. Distilbert. You can do that. So yes, NLP, you want to use embedding model, and it's really great because you don't need to train anything. It's just a classifier at that point. It works so good. That's the power of embedding. Everybody's sleeping on embedding models. They think, oh, it's all for vector and retrieval augmented or generation, right? With the AI, we're gonna rag it all. No, it's way better than that. It's way better. You use LazyVim, but it's a package called Comment in Vim. Oh, okay, got it. Okay. Got it. We'll check it out. Thanks. All right. Link share. Oh, Loons! Yeah, what's going on here? It looks like you've installed an operating system that has a default language set to some sort of Mandarin. Hey, SSH3, Arlock, good to see you. Hey, bro, what are you doing? How am I? We're doing great, thank you. We're building ourselves our transformer. Have you used ChatGPT? We're building one. Yes, we are. We're building it. Small distributed language models future. Yeah, I think so, because you can use them for very specific tasks. And if you get them really good at a very specific task, you can use an energy efficient, highly accurate AI. Doesn't that sound better? Yeah. Oh, before that, we'll have to check it out. Sir, is there any tool like N8N which to help make AI workflow? There is LangChain, right? You could do that. Or you could do, just Python script, right? You could do that too. That's what I do. I do Python script. Just easy Python script. That'll work. All right, so before that message, okay. Oh, hey, wouldn't give this to my worst enemy. What do you got here? Low-level programming sandbox inspired by early game consoles. In this fantasy console, you program an assembly language, oh no, with full control over execution, rendering your games and other creations to a retro monochrome screen. Steam, it's a Steam game, you guys. No way, it's a programming game. Oh, that's really cool. How do you say that? Nemonimov. Nemonimov, okay. Pretty nice. So you can learn yourself some programming and assembly. Hey, there we go. Hey, Neva, welcome on in. Good to see you. Oh, Neva, you might have an answer for me, although this will just be off the top of your head. I don't know. It's very silly. So we've got a fun challenge right here. I'm using cross-entropy loss that ignores the padding index. However, we got this error that says that when I'm using a float on my logits, on my output from my criterion, that I cannot use integers. I have to use floats, which makes sense because I'm comparing floats. However, when I get my output, it's going to be in floats. It's just going to be floats. That's what it's going to be. A whole bunch of floats. So for now, I just disabled the index ignoring for the loss, and it's probably fine. However, my question is, if we have this here, so here's our criterion, right? Our criterion is a cross-entropy loss. I would like to keep ignore index. However, I'm sure there's a way to do it. I just haven't really thought of it. Which software do you use for employee productivity management? Jira. We use Atlassian tools. No, it's definitely not fine to disable it. It's not fine? It's not? Well, okay. I'm pretty sure it'll still work though. AI, very flexible. Very flexible. It'll work. Though it's not fine. I get it. All right, so we want to bring it back. However, if we do, it's going to say, nope! Will not likey. This Google, dude. Oh, wait. Oh, Google this? I suppose we could. Obviously, we could search around for this. We could. I mean, the whole point, though, is that we learn it. We don't want the easy answer. We want the hard answer. Test results are in the most recent patch. Oh, the subsystem definitely broke. Oh, okay, got it. I see what you're talking about there. Thank you for all the likes, you guys. I appreciate it. You also need a proper mask on attention layer. Oh, good news, we did. We got the mask. We had the mask. We added it. We got the mask right there. We did it on both the question and the answer. I know we probably only need it on the answer. We just put it on the question as well. SSH, how's it going? Hey, do you prefer Python, JavaScript over the C? I like all three of them. As the first language, I would prefer Python first because C is going to give you a whole bunch of roadblocks with the syntax, and it's also doesn't have any built-in functions, and so you have to build everything yourself. I'd say Python is great as an introduction to programming because you're going to get some of the foundational basics of variables, flow control, loops, if statements, those sorts of things, right? Things that make a programming language, what do you call that? A programming language Turing complete, right? So if you get those foundational knowledges, then you can jump down to C, where you get closer to the metal. It's going to require you to learn more of data structures and algorithms because you have to build everything yourself. You got to build it all. Why is your learning rate at instead of 0.1? I don't know. Let's change it. LR equals there. Boom. How about that? All right, now it's at 1%. Do you like that? Is that better? Is that better? Oh, Trello. Oh yeah, I know Trello. I think Trello was acquired by Atlassian, right? Hey, we fixed it. All right, you guys, getting caught up on the chats here. Google stepping on your toes over here. Is it? The ignore index is the one hot of what to ignore. So you can also just implement manually. Oh, it's a negative log. Okay. No, this dude from Google is stepping on your toes. All right, Bonzipi, right. I've been learning a lot about transformers the last few days, thanks to Steven's stream. Hey, great. Been very informative. I appreciate it. Kyle, thank you so much. They sound complex, and there are some nuances that are weird. Don't get me wrong. They're like, why is that happening over here? Why are we doing it like that? The good news is we're figuring it out. Messing up your work and breaking user space. Bonzupi. So just do negative log p correct sum. Oh, okay. All right. Okay, Neva, you asked, we shall do it. Also, I see Trello is owned by Atlassian. Hey, they did acquire it. All right. Trello is now Atlassian tool. Also, I have a tip. You can also make your learning rate increase every epoch, and then you can stop training on the epoch where it doesn't improve anymore. Hey, variable learning rate, right? You can get some momentum in there with your optimizer. We can add some momentum. Correct would not make masks, so it ignores masks easily. Okay. All right. Thank you very much, Neva. Appreciate it. So let's change our criterion. How do we do this? All right. So if we're going to do negative log p correct, the correct answers, and then wait, correct sum. Okay, so this would ignore the zeros. Oh, this is going to snag. So we take our output, which is p. Is p the output? Is p the output? So we do torch.log output. We say negative, and then we can do our targets like that. Something like that. Correct. There is a lot of devs having actual freakouts over AI. They are, because it's a big change to their daily cycles, right? It's a big change. And like, I used to code, and I used to have this passion for my craftsmanship, right? It was so great. I have code comments. I have my classical architecture. And I've got my design patterns that make my code look beautiful. You don't need that anymore. The AI writes it for you now. So code craftsmanship is no longer a discipline. Stephen seems to be the only engineer online taking it optimistically. Yeah, because it makes my day better. I can do a lot more. I can do so much more. I don't really have to care. The sad thing is I do kind of miss code craftsmanship. The good news is I'm getting my appetite satisfied by live stream coding with you guys. Most of them have courses and content they are losing money. Oh, right. There are content creators who are teaching programming. And now the world doesn't need that as much because AI can write it all for them. I know. That kind of counts as us here, doesn't it? It does. I mean, there are still people who want to learn, I think, right? Maybe. I want to learn. Oh, Muhammad, hey, how's it going over there? You're a Java developer are overwhelming by the data structures and algorithms I love building. But my job requires DSA. Not many people can say that. Most people just say they import libraries and their day is over. Use this library in your code, boom, done. Easy. You just made an executive decision to use a library. DSA in your day-to-day, that's pretty special. What's your opinion? Thank you very much for your time. Yeah, I would say you're lucky because a lot of people would really like that job to use DSA in their day-to-day. Yes, Steven, now you just need to sum it or mean it. Sum. We do some sum there. All right, let's see what it looks like, yeah? Okay, so I want to say my loss equals. Let's print our loss. All right, Neva. All right, here we go. Here we go. All right. Tensor used as indices must be long in type or byte. Oh, they aren't. Oh, right. All right, we can fix that. One hot. We just get rid of this here. Yeah, boom, easy. Right, boom, hey! I got an and. Uh-oh, Neva, I got a not a number. Mean probably more correct? Okay. I'll try the mean. I'll try the average. Mean squared error, right? But you're doing a negative log. Mean. Code craftsmanship is still important, even though AI makes it automatically. It can't beat the creativity of the human mind. Right now, it is, you're right, the human mind can get real crazy. It can get real crazy. So for the mask tokens, you need to ignore them. And we do that. I've got the mask. However, oh, wait, the mask tokens. Okay, so you mean the pad tokens? The padding? So I already set my pad tokens to 0. So it'll be the first element. So we need to eliminate any pad tokens, is what you're saying. One hot is likely wrong. Also, you should be able to index it by an integer. Okay. Well, I'm getting if there's another approach, let me know. I'm not familiar. So let me see. All right, so let's do a mean here. Average. All right, let's see. Output. It's still a problem. So we've got not a number still. So what if we got rid of the negative here? All right, let's try that. Not still a problem. Okay. Torch log outputs. All right, what if we just did the here? Let's just see if the log is causing an issue. Oh, look at that. Oh, I see. Okay. That's bad. Pad token should not be 0. Why? Pad token should be totally 0. You can put them whatever you want them to be, right? If your pad is 0, then your max token index is 1 over the largest index of the vector. So here. These are my special tokens. Pad, start, end, and unknown. Oh, Steven, you didn't softmax. Oh, well, I sure didn't. Let's softmax it. All right, we'll do ourselves some softmaxing. You noticed we didn't softmax. self.soft equals torch.softmax. Can we do that? Is that right? Python import torch torch.softmax. Is that thing? No. Maybe it's one word. Not like that. Okay. Is it torch.inin? Is it around there? It is right there. Okay. There's our softmax. Now we will say out equals self.soft out. Done. Softmaxed complete. We added it, Neva. There we go. Oh, much better. Hey. Thank you. Thank you very much. Do you stream all day? Hey, Gooseman. How's it going there, Gooseman? Good to see you. Happy Thursday. I stream only for a little while each day because I have work that I got to do on a regular basis. How many hours? We still have time, though. We're still going to hang out here for a little while. If you want to avoid all the softmax log, you can use a dedicated function to avoid all that. But you know what? I think we're okay. I think we're okay. I think we're doing good now. So let's see if we can do the rest of this. There we go. See if we got it good. Got it good? Hey, look it right there. We got ourselves some loss. We got ourselves a little bit of loss right there. Doesn't need to be negative, though. Does it need to be negative? I don't. Oh, we do. We have to negate it. There we go. There we go. So that way. Much better. Okay. You want to avoid softmax log so you can. Okay. You'll hang out till I fall asleep. All right. Sounds good. Hey, good news. We're here for a little while, so you have plenty of time. 3 a.m. in the Philippines. Oh wow, that is very late. Are you doing the hackathon? Oh yeah. Neva, are you doing the hackathon? We got our hackathon, you guys. Hey, look at here. For those of you who are here, we join our Discord. We've got a hackathon occurring. Just go to Discord, blocksai.com, follow the online instructions, build an agent, and then submit it to the Discord channel. And you get entered to win. This is how you do cross entropy. Is it really? Is it really that simple? Is it really? Is that really how simple it is? Neva, you made my day! Oh, that's so great! Neva, thank you. Oh, that is very satisfying. Keep coming. It's so good, Neva. Thank you so much. All right, just, what you're doing is fantastic. I love it. I love it. I appreciate it so much. Thank you. So I have a good idea for it. I'm not a good project manager. This is a PM thing. Okay. All right. Good to hear. Good to hear, you guys. Build your agent. Build your agent, submit it, and you get to enter into the hackathon for prizes. This is so cool. This is so cool right here. It's so good. All right. Now we can start optimizing our model. Are you guys ready? Cross-domain synthesis? Wait. What is that? I had to... You mean turning from one discipline to another discipline? Oh, what is that? Google it? Okay, we're Googling it. Hey, we can use our new Google thing, all right? All right, Google cross-domain synthesis. All right. The process of generating new data, knowledge, or solutions by bridging the gap between different fields or data environments. I want an example. Give me an example. What is an example of that? 000, zoom. Okay. Utilize across artificial intelligence, cybersecurity, and strategic problem solving to adapt, augment, and transfer insights from a source to a target. Well, I mean, that's very abstract. I need more. I need an example. Simple example. Voluntarily subscribe to the newsletter. Voluntarily. Yes, I'm voluntarily subscribed to one newsletter. It's called the Hacker News newsletter. However, I've been ignoring it recently. That's a good poll, Loons. That's a good poll. Let's see. Are you wait, how do you spell that? Let's see. Voluntarily subscribed to a newsletter? Yes or no? All right, let's find out. Good poll, Loons. Good poll. How do you balance your time with work and study? Can't do that. Oh, it's pretty tough. I pretty much play all day and code a bit. Oh, well, what I do is I do all of my prep on the weekends for the most part, like food prep, chores, and everything like that. I do all that work on the weekend. And then I also stream on the weekends as well now. So I've added that into my schedule. And then I just play a little bit less Minecraft. That's what I do. Leonardo da Vinci studied autonomy for drawing. Let's see here. Where was that? A real-world example of cross-domain synthesis is using autonomous car technology to improve medical imaging. Oh, okay. Well, self-driving cars, hospital radiology. I don't know how that would possibly work. Self-driving cars use computer vision algorithm to detect moving pedestrians, lane markers in real time. Scientists transferred this exact algorithm structures to the medical field. Instead of looking for pedestrians on the street, the AI now scans MRIs to identify moving and growing tumors. Oh, hey, all right. Got it. All right. Kyle, thank you. I understand it now. Advances in neurology make AI better. Hey, yeah, there we go. Neural network was used modeling how the eyes work. Nice. Hey, Billy E Music. Hey, how's it going? Welcome on in. Happy Thursday. What's the new Grok build best for? I don't know. Does anyone know? I've never heard about the cross-domain synthesis. Same here. I mean, I feel like I've run into the concept before in AI specifically. Can we do JEPA next time using PyTorch framework? Wait, what is JEPA? JEPA, PyTorch? What is that? What is JEPA? VJEPA, method for self-supervised learning. That's a good idea. Divine Whisperer. Let's add that. Let's add JEPA. So this is this VJEPA? Is that what that is? Let's see. Or is this a different kind of JEPA? Hands-on JEPA building self-supervised vision models. Okay. JEPA building self-supervised vision models that work. Ooh, new paper to read. Hey, yep, new paper. Nice. All right, I'll add it to our ideas, our stream ideas. Here we go. New post. Here we go. It's called VJEPA. And that is... There we go. And that would be Python and AI. Post. There we go. There we go. Hold on 1 second. I heard my calendar, you guys. I heard my calendar. I have to check. Okay. All right. I might have to leave in 10 minutes because I've got a meeting that just suddenly magically appeared out of nowhere. Okay. Divine Whisper is the JEPA language. Oh, then translate to there are too funny. Wait, their translations are too funny. Are they? Wait, you love the chat? Oh, really? The chat? Yeah. Mandarin, you guys. Oops, I accidentally clicked on the wrong thing in the poll. I meant to click yes. Oh, Bonzupi. All right, no worries, no worries. Most of their explainer articles remove details are sometimes just wrong. Okay. Look for it on archive. Always best to implement the papers directly. Okay. JEPA archive. Let's see if we can get the archive. Here we go. Found it. Thank you, Neva. Hey, J-Bro. Good to see you. Welcome on in. JEPA is there. The Lacoon's baby. Oh, Lacoon's baby. Okay, got it. Is there a way to add a comment? JEPA, here we go. All right. There it is. Okay. Future stream idea recorded. Thank you very much, you guys. All right. So, let's see if we can do some optimization. Yeah? Loss.backward. Is it backwards or back? I think it's just backward. One word. Hi, all. Hey, Jay, bro. Good to have you here. And a lot of good papers are just readable as is. Yeah. All right. Jan LeCunin is a scientist. Lacoons. Got it. I figured as much. I figured as much. Is that Google Colab thing good? I tried building an agent in it. I think you burnt something. Oh, did you, J-Bro? It works pretty well. It's free, and they give you hardware compute. Steven, that one hot on target is wrong. Is it really? What would it be? I understand that it's wrong. I don't know what else to make it though. Because I'm looking for the token output, right? So I got my logits. I did my transform for my logits, right? Or logits, however you say. I converted them to logits to target the output of token that I'm searching for. Then I do an argmax to find the right token. And since... Yes, for sure, 100% just training one is fine. I don't know about that because my training data is a bunch of words. So I don't think that'll work very nicely. Hi from India. Hey, how's it going? Welcome on in, Deepak. Raj, Deepak. Thank you for joining in here, you guys. So yeah, so that is a bunch of that's a bunch of words, right? It's a whole bunch of words. It's pronounced the same as the word logic. Just replace the C with a T. Oh, log it? Oh, log it. Yes, yeah, I thought it was log it. I was looking that up earlier today. We were looking that up and I thought it was log it, like the word log, like you're logging data to a disk or to a, some sort of central logging repository. You're logging the data. It's a log it. All right, Bonzupi, I'm going to revert back to log it because that's what I thought it was. Rajeep, okay. Kundu, okay. The index of the proper token to output as an integer, not as a one hot. I suppose we could do that as well, which is perfectly fine. I could do that. I could do that too. All right, so let me, instead of doing one hot target, all we have to do is tokenize it. We do dictionary.tokenize. There you go. All right, are you sure, Neva? Are you sure? Before we do this, okay. All right, we're gonna run it. Okay, here's the output. That's what we're looking for right there. The proper input to a one hot would be your correct input. Yes, that's what that is. Yeah. So I've got the actual answers, right? So here, in my output, my model automatically converts words into tokens, and then it runs them through an embedding, right? So it normalizes. So the model's forward function automatically does this. So it tokenizes, and then it runs it through the embedding, which converts them into indexes, right? So that part's done there. And we can tokenize again. However, the output is here. So comparing this target to this output feels weird, right? So that's why I did a one hot. Because we want to select the probability. Yes, we do. Okay. Oh, I see what you mean. Okay. All right. We'll try it out. Let's see if that works. Let's find out. Loss. Here we go. And then we're going to print the loss. All right, let's try it. Index out of bounds for dimension 0 with size 7. I was wondering. See, I wanted. We needed to select the correct. The law. We can select it through argmax. I get the right token on the up. Oh, we should probably argmax I see what you're talking about, Neva. Is that still good though? Do we still want to do it that way? You can also one hot zero all the elements that are pad and then multiply by the vector to get as input. Okay. All right, I'll have to think about that. You're stringing the pot now. Wait, Bonzupi. Guys, if it's GIF or GIF. Oh, yeah, you're stirring the pot. You're stirring the pot. GIF or GIF, right? GIF or GIF. Also, like another way is the target is a one hot target's pad token equals 0. Oh, okay. Got it. All right. Yeah, I'll need to think about that. I'll need to think about it. So I do see a possibility here. I could grab the argmax and then compare the tokens directly and use that as the loss. Probs times targets. Ooh, I'm going to copy that. All right. So give me 1 second here. Give me 1 second. A magic meeting just showed up out of nowhere on my calendar, so I might have to go to that here in a second. So give me 1 second. All right, I'll say over 1 moment. All right, uno momento. All right. That won't work either, will it? So who did this? Who did it? Interesting. Oh, that's what I thought. Okay. Argmax is wrong for several reasons. The major one is it's not differentiable, so I wouldn't have no grads. Okay. All right. It sounds good to me. So then, well, as you can see, what's clearly wrong right here, right? So I've got my tokens, and then I've got my soft maxed logits right here. My soft max logits. This could have been an email, Steven, 10 minutes later. I know, right? It could have been an email. It could have been. It could have been an email, you guys. All right. Let's keep going. Okay. So the reason why I did the one hot was be able to say what the target output is trying to achieve to predict the next token. Now, I'm sure there's a lot of different ways to do it. However, very obviously, this won't work because it's not going to be selecting the correct value. Meetings can be productive when you have a great communication style. All right, it could be, which is what Steven said makes you, makes you hireable. That's a good point. Exactly, it's a very good point. Hey, Brandon, welcome on in. Good to see you. Your stream on your phone died. Oh, BT. What's BT? Wait, what's BT? Hold on. I feel like I should know what that means. You should be able to make your targets that are batch target. Oh, it's this. Okay. So then I just do dot. Wait. Is it unsqueeze or squeeze? Unsqueeze. No, it's squeeze. 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 Can we say 0? Can we do that? Dim 0. No. Okay. So 7 by 14 versus. Oh, wait. Dim 1. That's what I want. Let's try that. Okay. Let me see this real quick. Let me do targets. Dot squeeze. SQUEEZE. Dim equals 1. We'll do that there instead. Okay. Then use the target to index the probabilities that are batch token W, where W is the word token. I know if we watch Steven's stream, I get smarter. Hey, Brandon, that's nice for you to say. Thank you. You can tell when my kernel is almost done compiling by the sound of the CPU fans. Yeah, it gets toasty, right? it gets really toasty. You compile this thing like 300 times in a week. That's a lot of compilation. Your CPU is getting all the work out right now. What's the shape of the target before you do anything? And the input, what's the shape? Okay, so here's the output, right? Which we're going to compare the loss to, 7 by 14. And the target, we will get the shape up here in a second. It's basically 1 by 7. It's 1 by 7. So see, yeah, this is output. So we'll do this really quick. So we'll say output shape. There we go. Output shape. I think you have a bug around the size of the output layer, like basically some offset need to be added to sub from the target. Okay. See, yeah, I gotcha. When do I see what you mean. Yeah, it makes sense. Hey, Steven, do you manage to choose your current career? How did I manage? I wanted to be a game developer. I started making games, and then I found out that writing enterprise software was immediately more valuable because you get revenue immediately. You've been incisive for months between cybersecurity and backend development and DevOps. So I would say cybersecurity is going to be a really critical item, and that role is very necessary still. Backend and DevOps, I would choose. Which one's going to make you happy? That's actually one of the regardless of what the role is, which one's going to make you more happy? I think that's an important one. Which one do you want to do? When I do something on your laptop, it burns you. Oh, do you put your laptop on your lap? Yes, you have a bug in your data preparation, Stephen. You are defining getting enough target tokens. I think my target is looking good. So I like my. So here's my tokens, right? My dictionary. Let me hide this stuff for a second. Let's hide this. Okay. And then I will print to you. Let's go to our model forward. Okay. So here's the features and labels, right? So I'll print to you the label. So I will say print the labels. So this is the labels. Labels. I think this is correct. I feel like this part is correct. So here's my labels. Looks fine to me. So with the embedding, we got 7, right? Easy tensor, right? So I've got basically a sentence and a bunch of tokens. Every word gets its own line on the embedding, right? So that part I'm pretty confident about. That part makes sense. You're not in microwave trouble again? What's beeping? I don't know. What is beeping? Yeah, I love 3 so much, yet I'm still indecisive. Senko. That's tough. That's tough, right? Because you've got 3 good options. Well, here's the deal. Check this out. You don't always have to stick with one. You could try the one that you think is the best first, and then continue down that path. And if you want to change your mind later, it might not be as bad as you think to change it later. Bespoke AI, yeah. We got these AIs. You never know. You never know. Like if you get the shape you have, the outputs are batch, token, and weights, and targets that are tokens instead of BT. Well, yeah, right. Oh. Do we need to, on our target here, I've never done this before, however, never. Would we be able to convert would we run it through embedding here? All right, so maybe this is the answer. I don't know if that would work though. I don't see how that would work, though I think we could try it. Basically, we're gonna make them the same shape. We'll make them the same shape. Want me to set my clock? Buy the Panasonic inverter, all right. Enough about boring microwave ovens. Oh wait, Panasonic? That sounds like a good one. Is it cold out there? You're always in a jacket. Oh, yeah, I always have a hoodie on. Yep. Always got the hoodie on, Senko. You got it. It's not cold. It's actually really nice. It's comfortable. Yeah, it's pretty easy to change career later. I think so, Senko. I'm not sure if this word is vectoring. Oh, yeah, vectorizing. Yeah, we're vectoring. Yeah, we are. That's what we're doing. Every batch should have a stream of tokens. Yes, so we got that. I like seem only take part of the need targets. The thing is, when for the embedding, can I use the embedding to encode? It feels wrong to use the embedding for the targets as well, right? For the actual answers, do we want to? I think that would work. It just feels weird because you're training the embedding, so you want the exact answers, right? Don't you want to target towards the one? You should contribute to open source via comments. Yeah. Oh, yes, that's the way to do it. You got it. Basically, targets need to be 2D and actual 2D. Okay. All right. Sounds good to me. Who will really care about comment PRs? Oh, it's just a way. Not. They don't. See, the good news is they see that all you're doing is adding documentation to the code. Well, it really depends, though. Really, what you should be doing is building docs for the code or some way around that, right? Maybe if you find a line of code that might be helpful. It's just a soft way to get into being a contributor to open source. It's not always going to work. You're hiring at your company? Yes, Ray Silvers. Yes, we are. What's the company's name again? It's called PubNub. P-U-B-N-U-B. There you go. And we've got ourselves the answer right here. We're hiring for 2 specific engineering roles right now. Senior software engineer in artificial intelligence, large language model systems, and a senior solutions architect. Hey, that Vasper, welcome on in. Good to see ya. Good to have you here. Happy Thursday. Targets before the one hot needs to be 2D. Got it. Okay. Seems like you have a target before one hits 1D instead of 2. So basically the data is corrupt. Well, it's the right data for sure. It's just we need to put it in the right shape, right? So if our outputs are logits, which are going to be the next token, right? It's the next token, which is the next word, basically. What's the next word? And there's the probabilities of what the next word are, right? You see here on the screen, we've got the probabilities of the next word. So in this case, the next word looks like it's going to be whatever this position is right here. Like, for example, maybe. Oh no, it's going to be this one. Oh, and it got it right. Interesting. Well, actually, it says this one, but it's getting close. So we just need to match this. And so my idea was, why not tell it what the exact token should be, right? The exact token. The total size is too small. Well, is it though? Because look, my data size is very small. Look at this. This is my data size right here. So I think it looks about right. There's only like 15 words there. There's only 15 words. So there should only be 15 positions. Well, actually there's 14 words, right? So there's only 14 positions. So that looks good to me, right? Oh, Loons, all right. Good to have you here. Thank you for joining on in. How do you get users for a platform like UGC content? How did the platform take off? A bit of history lesson, if you may? Sure, absolutely. I'll tell you. I'll give you the answer. Can you tell me what the post one hot shape is currently? The post one hot shape will just be the tokens themselves, right? So here, I will share it to you. Here we go. The tokenize, here we go. And the shape. Dot shape. So I can get it to be whatever. Like, it's not a challenge here. Hey, Mom, I'm famous in Blum's code. Hey, yes, Kyle. Wait, oh, what happened? That should have worked. Why did that not work properly? Tokenize. Oh, wait. Let's close that out real quick. Okay. That shape? Oh, it's not a function. Here we go. Okay. So, yeah. So it's 7 tokens and 7 tokens. And then we need to convert this. That's why I one-hotted it. Is so we need to know the exact answer. So if this is what the model returned its answer as, and the target tokens, or the actual answers, are these tokens here. See you next stream, Brandon. All right, sounds good. Thank you for joining in. All right, we got a story to tell you guys. It's not a very long one. So what happens at Discord? No, so this is wrong. Post one hot should be 3D. All right. Here, get status, get add. Here, get commit AM. Partway deciding, let's see, partway with loss back prop. Push. All right. I will send you the link so you can just see the code directly. And then, because I don't think we're far off. I think we're like 1 or 2 lines from getting it to work. Okay, let me see here. Story. Hey, don't go anywhere. We're going to tell you about the UGC discussion here real quick. All right. Raise silvers. We will get to it. So GitHub, Steven, repositories, transformer. Here we go. Copy link. Easy. Oh, what? I made a... That's weird. Okay. Here you go. All right, Neva, I'll put this on link share. Link share at Getting Better. There you go. Over there on link share. I think we're really close. Technomancy? Hey, Mike! Hey, Mike it! I don't know about Technomancy. What is it? What is Technomancy? You have batch dimensions, right? I don't have batch dimensions. I have not done batch dimensions yet. I know that sounds weird. I don't have batch dimensions yet. I think the data propagation on the group, you have the target labels. Okay. I'm here, no worries. I'm battling job applications on LinkedIn. That's right. Okay. So let's jump back to your request here. How do you get users for platforms that has UGC content? So what is UGC content first? So let me look that up really quick. Let's see, Google UGC content. All right, what is that? User-generated content is a brand. Oh, got it. Okay, so you've got basically a TikTok or an Instagram. How do you acquire users for that platform? It's actually pretty not that difficult. So you launch it in the App Store. That's going to get you initial discovery. You launch it in media, right? So you make news story coverage wherever you can get your main story released, right? So if you built a new TikTok, right? You built a brand new TikTok and you want to market it to the world. You'll then release it in places where other users are already existing. It's called OPA. It's the #1 strategy. You can either pay for OPA or you can create an engaging story that is compelling for someone to author and release on their news outlet, right? So there's another way. You can also add integrations. So you can integrate with other businesses or companies, right? That's another good way to do it. That's fantastic. That's actually what we did. So we don't have UGC business. We have a platform for communication, an API company called PubNub. An API company called PubNub that allows communication for in-app experiences. Things like chat, user chat, multiplayer games, telemedicine when you talk to the doctor and patient, on-demand delivery when you order food and you see the car on the map approaching you. That's what we do. We integrate with all the different developer frameworks as part of our OPA approach, other people's audiences. And we also have something called the Loss Leader, where we give away a free tier that allows anyone to start without a credit card. So free forever. We have a Loss Leader. So that's another approach. So OPA and Loss Leaders. Loss Leaders are a lot of fun. They're my favorite because you get to build something amazing and give it away for free and attract new users. So you might have some sort of an advanced AI feature in your app and you don't charge for it, right? Also, for UGC businesses in general, most of the users are going to be free and you sell them, you make money through ads, right? So UGC-based businesses will be ad-driven. All right, there you go. Let me know if you have any questions on the matter. Let me scroll up here. Steven, why do you guys use PubNub need ML engineers? We've got a lot of data going through our system right now. We need things like NLP and moderation, classification, so common standard stuff. Also, we have a code platform that allows you to mutate data through the network called PubNub functions. PubNub functions allow you to intercept messages, do some JavaScript work on them, and then let the message pass on to the receiver. This happens in the infrastructure at the edge, so it's edge computing. We offer this to our customers, and they are also asking for AI features that can be added into the mutation and manipulation of those messages. So that's where we do it, if that makes sense. All right. Missed some of your chats, you guys. Oh, wait, that's so weird. It threw me off so bad. Sorry, just assumed you did batches. Hey, all good. No worries, Neva. No worries. You want... Batches are ideal. You want to do batches. I just didn't start with it. We can add it in. I was going to add it in later. Let's see. All right, so Ray Silvers, let me know if that made sense. Good. I'm glad you don't know about it. I like you even better now. Oh, Mike Jr. All right, that's great to hear. Yeah. Technomancy. I've not heard about it. Technomancy. It's coding rituals into software for all types of purposes. Technomancy. All right, I'm glad you don't practice it. I do not practice technomancy. Kyle is listening. Who is handling your database? We handle our own databases. We've got a lot of different ones. We've got Postgres, of course. We've got Cassandra. We've got Redis. We've got a couple others I'm thinking of that I can't remember right now. And we run them and operate them in Amazon's infrastructure. I want to make money through transactions. Hey, yeah, that was a good one. Transactional revenue. That's a good one. Your company seemed like UGC, kinda? I have an event platform that I need users to become hosts in order to attract more users, like Meetup. Hopefully better over time. Yeah, that's a good way to do it too. Ray Silvers, you got it. You got it. Marketing without money is hard. It is. It's called growth hacking. It's called growth hacking. It basically growing without a heavy investment. Thank you for your viewpoints. You're welcome. Do you need a dude who knows crypto? Because Bunzupi might be someone. Hey, I think I'm accidentally becoming an expert in cryptography. Bunzupi, that's how it happens. You become an expert. You've become an expert. Could you guys do edge functions as Python? Oh, we are working on it, Neva. We are. Python makes more sense for machine learning. We are. Right now it's JavaScript. We are working on it. We are working on it. It's going to happen. We think this year. So yes, Neva, exactly. Just got to put boots on the floor, grab attention little by little. Yep, that's how it works. And then you get the snowball rolling and it gets a little bit bigger and a little faster and a little bigger and faster. Eventually. Probably going to go give away some of your features for free and call it cost of customer. Yes. Wait. Cost of customer acquisition or something like that. Customer cost of acquisition. What is CAC always? It's like cost of acquisition, right? CAC term busyness. Customer acquisition cost. See, right? Cost of customer acquisition is the way I say it. Customer acquisition cost, CAC. Hey, RXTRO, how's it going then? Oh, we say, Ruxtro. Hello, I love your informational videos. Hey, great to hear. On Instagram. Oh, nice, you come from Instagram. All right. It's great just starting to learn Python. Very nice, very nice. It's so neat to see other people coming across from different platforms. Yeah, from Instagram. Hey, how's it going over there? That's awesome. Hey, you caught a live stream. This is where the Instagram videos come from, is this video. That's great. That's so great. Okay. Let's see. So, I want to, where are we at here? Where are we at? Where did we leave up on this? Here we go. Okay. So I can tokenize. I'm going to go back to one hot really quick, and I'm going to try to test this to see if this works here. Blah, 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 blah. We're going to get our loss going. We get our loss right here. Let's print our loss. We're going to do it backward, and then we're going to do an optimization step. Oh, how is your subtitle so fast and accurate? Hey, right? Isn't it really good? It's so good. I'm glad you asked. We just happen to have a pinned tab in our Chrome browser here. If you want, it's free and available right here. It's on our Discord. If you're interested, go under the link share, scroll up here. You'll find it. You'll find it right here. OBS subtitles for YouTube and Twitch. Free, fast, instantaneous. It's so good. It's good right here. Yep. Right there. And it's also powered by my communication technology, PubNub. It's powered by, and obviously, as you saw, it's really fast. It's a really fast technology. PubNub right here. See, for example, you can kind of think of it as a chat. We've got speech to text, which goes to your microphone, gets translated to text, transmits over my technology PubNub to this tab that I've got a tab over here, right here, this tab right here, and it then transmits that tab voice into OBS, and I've got an OBS overlay. That's how it works, and it's free. It's open source, available for you. All right. So let's get back to, I want to see if we can make this work really well. So I do have we have 6 minutes left, you guys. So 6 minutes. Will we make it in 6 minutes? Will we make it in 6 minutes? There's the loss. All right, let's do the step. Optimizer.step. Is this right? Is that, yep. Okay, so we got our optimizer there. Let's try it. Here we go, you guys. This is 100. All right. Ooh, whoa. We're printing too much stuff out here. Let's print not that. And we only the loss. Okay, here we go. All right, 16 minutes left, guys. I know, right? Wait, oh, it's still, wait, did I not do that right? Hold on. Where'd this go? It should only print loss. Oh, hold on. I see. I have another print up here somewhere. There we go. That's what I was looking for. Okay. Oh, the loss is going the wrong direction. Uh-oh. Whoops. All right. Okay. All right, well, that definitely didn't work. Okay. Oh, maybe we need a lower learning rate here. There we go. Let's lower that learning rate a smidgen. Hey, that's what I'm looking for. All right. Let's get rid of the epoch here. And let's increase the learning rate a smidge. Okay. Oh, it's going the wrong direction. Let's give it a few more epochs. Let's reduce it again. 0, there we go. Extra zeros. So I'm probably going to give away most of my features for free. Okay, yeah, I read that one already. Let's see here. Would it be great if you ever need a React developer? I'll be on the lookout for a job posting. Ray Silvers, all right. We'll let you know. Absolutely. We'll let you know. Okay, so my model didn't learn. All right, so we need to make some adjustments. We got to make some adjustments, you guys. Oh, hey, Kyle just said, Ray Silvers. Kyle's interested. Kyle said maybe. Okay, so that didn't learn. Let's increase it a smidge. All right, so yeah, it's not learning. It's not working. Okay, so we have to come up with a different approach. We got to do something different, you guys. I think that'll be a plan for tomorrow. Ooh, tell me more. Tell me more. Hey, Kyle. Very nice. What if we don't do this? Yeah. We don't do that. Then it just goes in the wrong direction. Okay. Yeah, that's not good. Oh, it's not good. Okay. So, what if we did some? Try that. Oh, wow. It's not happy now. It's not happy. That is not happy there. Okay. Try this. Okay. Nice. Y'all are doing business. You're doing business in the chat. Also using a cursor, Steven. I see your pink cursor. Yep. I've got a cursor. Yeah. This is just my location of my cursor. Yeah. A smear cursor. I don't know what a smear cursor is. Steven, some just changes with the scale of the losses. Yeah, I figured. I know. I was messing around. I was playing around. I didn't actually break it really. That's a good point. So the loss could have actually just worked anyway, even though it was a very big loss. Let's try it again. Okay. Smear cursor is a package for NeoVim. Oh, got it. Okay. So it's going the wrong direction. Yeah, it's still struggling. Let's try this. Yeah, then it fails. There we go. I want to see what the smear cursor is. All right, so Google, you call it smear cursor in Vim. There we go. Let's take a look. What does that look like? Let's play the video. Oh, hey, that's fancy. Yeah, I don't have that. I do like it. I think that's pretty fancy. I do not have it. Is there... It might look... I mean, I'm moving pretty fast on the screen, so... It might look a little smeary, but it's not. Is it against the rules? Really? Wait. Wait. My bad if it is. Kyle, I don't think so. I don't think there's any bad situations here. Oh, we do have 1 minute left, you guys. We gotta go. All right, everyone. Thank you so much for joining today. I had a lot of fun. We built a little bit more on our model. We are trying to get to the optimizer working, and the good news is we made some progress. And Neva gave us the loss criterion, so that way we got our model actually running through the back propagation. The only thing is, it's not learning anything. So, what we have to do tomorrow is figure out why. Let's figure out why tomorrow. We'll be beginning our training process for our chat GPT model, right? We're building a transformer. That'll be the plan for tomorrow. Then we will get that working. I'll add some positional encodings as well. I think that would be the plan. Bonzupi, all right. See you later, everybody. See you, Kyle. See you, Neva. See you, Ray Silvers. Good to have you guys here. Good night, Jay, bro. Thank you, everybody. We'll be back tomorrow with more AI, more transformers. We're going to build our GPT, you guys. Bye, man. Have a nice day. You too, Ray Silvers. Oh, Sergio. Have a good rest of your day. Bye, everybody. And, of course, I love Liberty Justice. If you're still here, thank you. Thank you so much for all the donations. Peace out, dude. RXT. All right. Thank you, guys. See you tomorrow. Bye, everybody. Have a good rest of your day.